this video, we will show how to replace the bypass valve, which contains a new turbine. Push the meter cable tip upwards from underneath the bypass valve, as you'll then be able to lift up the meter cable and set it to the side. Then use either a crosshead type screwdriver or nut driver to remove the screw and clip sets which hold the bypass valve and valve body together. They're located on each side of the control valve. Then wiggle the bypass valve and valve body away from each other. Prior to placing the replacement bypass valve into position, please ensure that a light amount of silicone grease is applied to the two O-rings located on the adapter couplings. We do not want the O-rings to be in a dry state. Then, using either a crosshead style screwdriver or nut driver, tighten the screw and clip into position for both sides. Then ensure that you place the meter cable tip back into position and snap into place. You have now successfully replaced the bypass valve, which includes the new turbine.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG